Everyone is talking about the tip of this iceberg, where AI is a trend or not a trend, while we should all talk about AI or not. That's not really the point. If you're a decision maker, if you own a business, if you're running a business, you should watch this video, because if you want to stay on the market, everything is below this iceberg is really important for us.
Dig deep with Frank to see AI define the new rules of the business game.
It's not about personal AI, ChatGPT, any tool, trend or news. This video is about the part which can lead in millions in cost saving by cutting human labor, the one that can generate millions in additional revenues, enabling entirely new strategies into the market. Understanding AI as a business leverage is key in 2024 and something you can't just ignore. So let me clarify exactly what I'm talking about. This is not personal use of AI. It's not about a single person using a tool. It's not a single person using ChatGPT to do something, to write an email or to solve a problem, okay? It's not that. I'm talking about large integration of AI and AI transforming entire branches and processes of your company by converting existing human labor-based processes into AI-driven and AI-managed processes entirely. So it's something huge. It's about the thing we could call the fifth industrial revolution. Now we are having this new wave of AI that is making this kind of strategy, cost optimization, and process transformation from human labor into AI-driven processes completely accessible for the most of the company on the market, even the small, medium company size. So that's why it's so important for you to understand this. So I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you, as a business decision maker, whether you are a startupper, an entrepreneur, you are CTO, CEO, or just a decision maker in your area in the company, and why you should care about this. The first one is money. AI automation of processes leads into millions of cost saving. One famous example is Klarna, which this year spent some months to deploy chatbot that solved the customer service, replacing a team of 700 persons entirely. And by doing that, it solves the problem better with less errors, improved quality, and by doing that in 35 languages all over the world. So there are many cases like this where entire processes are getting completely transformed and rebuilt using AI that replaces humans. So cost reduction, and most of the time the quality is the same or gets improved. The second reason is money again. Money, why? Because by replacing entire processes or introducing AI into the company processes, you can create entire new experiences or improved processes or improved analytics, improved intelligence. It applies into so many areas that you need really to figure out where your competitors are doing it. An example of this is Netflix, which by many years powered its recommendation engine with AI, and so creating an incredible quality for people coming back to the platform and getting great suggestion for the content to watch. Everything that is made with AI, of course, recommending the best content based on algorithms that do segment the audience and do magic stuff. I'm not going into technical detail here, but I'm talking about business. 80% of the videos watched on Netflix are recommended by AI. So it's money. The third reason is money again. Another example is News Corp, which is a famous firm which is owning the most important newspapers in the world and is using AI to generate 3,000 news per week, introducing a whole new strategy into the market by covering a very local news and so reaching a very specific a new audience, which was not possible before using generative AI. So this means that AI is money because you can introduce entire new strategies, in this case, reaching an audience that you couldn't even think to reach before, because by covering local news, you reach a very specific customer which is interested in very narrow niche content. And they are doing this in Australia and promoting this kind of technology now all over the world. The reason I'm telling you this is that this is a must-have to stay competitive on the market. And I have some suggestions for you. This year I'm writing a book which is called AI Traction. So you should visit aitraction.com, where you can access a business case platform so that you can start learning many of these business cases I'm just quoting in this video. You can download the preview of the book. The first 2 chapters are available for free, so you can start learning more about this AI transformation management culture that I'm looking forward to promote with my book by creating the first manual about AI transformation and a very specific framework for non-technical decision maker that you can use to understand the priorities for your business and how to decide which one is the right project to start with investing. And so you can go for a good return of the investment and not go for a wasted money because you're starting to understand AI is important, but you can't figure out the right project. So it's very important. If you visit the platform, you can find also the access for free to the community on School, where we are learning together and studying business cases, sharing Q&A. We're doing webinar, we're doing lives all together. And so we're building a first community for AI transformation management. And so you can access and use that too for your learning and your studying, and maybe get some advice and share your experience too. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. This channel will be all about AI transformation, AI traction, and how to solve your problem using AI in a very effective way, and to learn about the best practices and business case we find all over the world. So thank you for watching this, and keep following the channel because more videos on AI transformation will come very soon. See you in the next one.